video you just watched. For those of you that haven't seen it, I made a video where I will offer to advertise for channels that subscribe to me. So check out the link below. If you subscribe to my channel, I will review your channel and I will post a video advertising your channel. So subscribe below and check it out. If you don't believe me, check out the link below. It'll explain to you what my plan is. Hope you guys subscribe.
I'm calling the cops, you moron. You fucking brake checked me, eh? Look, roll your window down. Roll it down. I'm trying to talk to you, you fucking idiot. Either you talk to me or I call the cops. Either you talk to me or I call the cops. You fucking brake checked me. That's assault with a deadly weapon.
There was a pedestrian
You,
in the
not
street.
that one, you fucking idiot. When you fucking
You
turned...
saw my blinker and you
Hey,
tried to
you
cut
just
me
banged my
off.
fucking... Fuck you, you fucking bitch.
Asshole.
I'm calling the police for you brake checking me. I was trying to talk to you and have a fucking conversation about it.
You were in the wrong lane.
No, you fucking stupid bitch! You fucking cut in front of me, I honked at you, so you fucking brake checked me! Fuck you, you stupid cunt! Oh, you fucking come here and say that, you stupid bitch!
Hey guys, I know you hate this kind of intro. I hate it too, so I'm going to make it as quick as I possibly can. YouTube has taken away my ad revenue, so I no longer make any money on my videos. And the money I used to make on my videos went to banners and sweaters, which I gave away to my fans. I'm not going to be able to do that anymore unless you guys help me out. So make sure that when you're watching this video, you scroll down a little bit, you hit that big red button that says subscribe. And if you really want to help out, if you really want to contribute to the Cadillac Kid Productions team, check the link below for patreon.com, which will give you the opportunity to pledge money towards my channel. And if you pledge enough, I'm going to send you a banner. And if you pledge even more, I will send you a sweater. So please check out that link below, patreon.com, and support Cadillac Kid Productions. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.